the end of the video, you will know about effective exercises to lose skinny fat and sculpt a leaner physique. Losing skinny fat involves a strategic combination of strength training and cardio to build muscle and reduce body fat percentage. Here's a targeted workout plan to help you achieve your goals. 1. Resistance training. Focus on compound exercises that engage multiple muscle groups, such as squats, deadlifts, bench presses, and pull-ups. These exercises not only build muscle, but also boost your metabolism for increased fat burning. 2. High-intensity interval training (HIIT). Incorporate HIIT workouts to burn calories efficiently and improve cardiovascular health. Sessions like sprint intervals, jumping jacks, and burpees are great choices to elevate your heart rate and torch fat. 3. Core strengthening. A strong core enhances overall stability and posture. Crucial for a balanced physique. Include exercises like planks, Russian twists, and leg raises to target abdominal muscles and reduce belly fat. 4. Balanced diet. Pair your exercise routine with a nutritious diet rich in lean proteins, whole grains, fruits, and vegetables. Avoid sugary snacks and processed foods to maintain steady energy levels and support muscle recovery. Your support fuels my passion for creating valuable health and fitness content. Hit that like button and subscribe to keep the motivation going and unlock more inspiring videos, just like this one. 1 second lesson. Maximize gains with Dimetize ESO 100 and Optimum Nutrition Gold Standard Whey. Gluten-free, high-protein blends for muscle growth. Links in description. Elevate your fitness game. Let's continue the video's main topic. Consistency is key when tackling skinny fat. Aim for at least 3 strength training sessions per week, alongside regular cardio and core workouts. Track your progress by taking measurements and photos to stay motivated on your journey to a fitter, healthier you. By following this comprehensive approach, you'll transform skinny fat into a toned physique, feeling stronger and more confident in no time. Remember, it's about progress, not perfection. Keep pushing forward, and you'll reach your fitness goals.